Your septic system. It's the hidden hero of your home, working quietly, day after day, year after year. But here's the truth nobody wants to face. Neglect it, and you're facing a disaster. Backed up drains, foul odors, thousands in damage. This isn't just inconvenient, it's a crisis waiting to happen. But here's the good news. Meet Pure Valley Plumbing. For 7 years, we've been Moreno Valley's trusted experts. 120 skilled professionals, 5 fully equipped service vans, ready, prepared. Dedicated to keeping your septic system running flawlessly. Septic tank pumping isn't just maintenance, it's protection. It's peace of mind. It's knowing that your family's health and your property's value are in the hands of true professionals. We're not just plumbers, we're master plumbers. Licensed, insured, EPA LEED Safe certified. We've earned recognition as Moreno Valley's most trusted plumbing company. We don't cut corners, we don't rush jobs, we deliver excellence. Our septic tank pumping service is comprehensive. We inspect, we pump, we report. We ensure everything is working perfectly. Advanced technology, proven expertise, guaranteed results. Here's what sets us apart: speed. When you need us, we're there. Emergency, we respond within 60 minutes, 24/7, 365 days a year. No waiting, no excuses, no compromises. Whether it's routine maintenance or an urgent crisis, Pure Valley Plumbing shows up ready to solve your problem. Because we understand a plumbing emergency doesn't wait for business hours. And neither do we. We're local. We're invested. We serve Moreno Valley, Riverside County, and the Inland Empire because this is our community. We're not a corporate chain. We're your neighbors. We're the team that understands local challenges, septic systems in our climate, our soil, our water conditions. When you call Pure Valley Plumbing, you're calling people who live here, who work here, who care about maintaining the health and integrity of Moreno Valley's homes and businesses. Think about it. Septic tank pumping is an investment in your future. Regular maintenance prevents emergency repairs that cost thousands. It protects your property value. It safeguards your family's health and safety. It gives you the confidence to enjoy your home without worry. And with Pure Valley Plumbing, you're getting the absolute best value. Full bonding, insurance coverage, a 12-month warranty, senior and military discounts, flexible financing. We make professional septic service affordable and accessible. Your septic system deserves expert care. Your family deserves peace of mind. Your property deserves professional protection. This is your moment to stop worrying and start acting. Reach out to Pure Valley Plumbing today. Let our team of licensed, certified, award-winning professionals handle your septic tank pumping and experience the difference that true expertise makes. Don't wait for a crisis. Don't settle for mediocre service. Choose Pure Valley Plumbing, Moreno Valley's trusted local expert. Your septic system will thank you. Your family will thank you. And your wallet will thank you when you avoid costly emergency repairs. Pure Valley Plumbing. Local, professional, reliable, always. Contact us today. Experience the Pure Valley difference.